Hi guys, it's Anne here, and this is just a little video of cleaning my bathroom. As you can see, it's looking pretty rough. My kitchen cupboard cleaning videos seem to be well received, so I thought I might as well film this. I needed to clean it anyway. I do have a portion of the video where I go under my bathroom sink and clear some stuff out, so if you want to see that part of the video, I'll put the timestamp below. Okay, here we are below the bathroom sink. This is the place where things go to die that I pack away somehow and then totally forget that I've packed them away. And yeah, and my issue too is this is not very deep. This is maybe it's less than a foot deep. It's probably about 10 inches deep. It's a very shallow cupboard, so there's not a whole lot I can fit in here. I would say about a year ago, really given this a good clean out and organization, but we're due for another one, so let's do it. I'm finding all sorts of goodies under here. So I have two of these. I'm pretty sure I said in a former video that I thought I only had this one, and I was kind of holding on to it. I haven't pulled it out. I was kind of going to pull it out a little bit closer to, Christmas, New Year's time where it's starting to become dead of winter, but I have a second one. So I'm super excited to have found a second one. So I'm going to pull this one out now and start using it, and then I can use this one in the real dead of winter in January, February. Another thing I need to pull out is this. Not sure how well it's focusing on this. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's just a facial spray. It's a cocoa shade. It's called Cucumber. Really refreshing all over mist. I haven't really been using it because I don't like the sprayer, and I saved one of my Urban Decay setting sprays to put this in that, and I found that I couldn't get this off. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, I'm gonna need to use some tools to open this up, but I need to do it instead of just leaving it sitting under my counter. So this is another thing that's gonna go somewhere else. I also completely forgot that I had this. This is the Living Proof Heat Styling Spray. I'm not sure, do you put this on dry hair or wet hair? Usage. Full canister 6 to 10 inches away from damp or dry hair. I'm gonna have to try this. I need to pull this out to actually use this because I forgot that I had it. This is another product that I just need to get rid of. It's super, super old. I did try using this year, and or maybe, was it this year? Yeah, I think I tried earlier this year, and it smells weird now. And I mean, it always kind of smelled weird because it always had that tanning smell, and it didn't actually do anything at all. This is supposed to be, it says, for the face and body, apply evenly to skin, avoid eyebrows, hairline, wash hands. It doesn't really have anything about what it's for. So it's supposed to be, it's a soft, self-tanning instant gel. It's really good for like your face because it's like a nice gentle, it's like a little gel, and it pretty much works right away. Like you're going to see a change right away. And I found it blended really well. Pretty sure I bought this from a Kathleen Lights recommendation. I would definitely purchase this again. Again, I use this mostly on my face and my like upper body. But yeah, I've got to throw this out. It's done. This is what happens when you forget what you have under your cupboard. I already had this. I bought a while ago, and I picked this up with my Shoppers Drug Mart points just a couple weeks ago or a week ago or so. Silly me. Again, totally forgot I had this. This is the Quo Gentle Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. I actually use a lot more waterproof eye makeup in the winter, like waterproof mascara, so this is actually really good for me to pull out and use. This is from the testing I did. I think I posted that video around January. It's almost a year ago. And yeah, I just forgot I had this, so I need to pull it out and finish it up. I'm now back to the situation of having more than one makeup remover open. So anybody remember these? This is a Shine Mist, Seal Shines and Protects. This is probably about 10 years old. Maybe not that long. No, probably about 10 years now that I think about it. And I just need to use this. I think I'm going to put this in a project pan because I do want to try and use this. I feel like I'm probably going to try it and not like it because it's going to make my hair feel greasy and dirty. But we're going to try it and see if this is worth finishing up or if it's time to let it go. So this is the Way hair treatment mask. I only have one left in the box, so I'm going to actually put this in my shower. These are one of my favorite hair masks. I can probably get about 2 treatments out of this. And yeah, so far it's, out of all of the hair masks that I've tried, I've been trying a little, I can't even think of the company name now. It'll come to me later. Briogeo, that's it. I'm trying a little Briogeo hair mask that I got in Ipsy. I don't like it at all. I don't think it's really doing anything. But this is one of my favorite hair masks. I do have really long hair, but I only put this from like halfway down. That's how I'm able to get about 2 uses out of this. If you have really, really thick hair or a lot of hair, you're gonna need like 2 packets of this because it really isn't a lot. This is another thing I'm going to pull out. This is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Toner. I just finished up, I guess, spoiler alert too, with my empties. I just finished up my Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, which I would definitely repurchase, but since I have this, I got this in a Lucky bag. Since I have this, I'm just going to use this, but I don't know if I would bother repurchasing this one. I'm going to focus. Bother repurchasing this one, or like for me, getting The Ordinary is actually very accessible. There's actually The Ordinary stores in Toronto, so actually I think it started in Toronto. So anyway, I'm going to pull this out and start using it. So I'm going to throw this out, but this is a recommendation I do have. These are actually really good. These are the, that's French side, wax strips, the sensitive formula. These actually work really quite well. They take practice. Probably by the 4th time I bought a box of these, I started getting really good at it. You have to be really quick. You have to warm it up, like rub them really quick to warm it up. The hardest part is when you peel the strips apart, sometimes all the wax sticks to one side and not the other, and that's super annoying. But yeah, these actually work really, really well, but not gonna lie, they take practice. And you gotta work quick, and you gotta, like, have no fear. Just go. But yeah, I've looked in the box, and they're, I don't know what's going on with them, but they're looking a little, ugh. So I'm gonna throw that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my shower. I haven't used this in a while, but I should just finish it up. I do like using Nair. This is like the hair remover, like the cream you put on. It actually does work. I do find it doesn't take everything off. Like, that's kind of the annoying part, is it's never 100% for me. Like, I'll always find little hairs here and there, but it does actually work. So I might as well just finish it up. I'm not gonna lie, it's wintertime. Don't really shave my legs a whole lot, so might as well just finish this up, because you do need the hair, like leg hair, to be pretty grown out. Like, it won't work on like little stubby hair. So for that reason, I wouldn't really use this in the summertime, because you really have to let the hair grow. I feel like quite a bit to use this. So I just wanted to share this one too. Yes, I did go into tanning beds. Probably the last time I've been in one is maybe 5 years ago now. And I used to go maybe about 4 or 5 times over the winter time. And it was almost like therapy for SAD, seasonal anxiety disorder. It's gotta be something else. But basically I hated wintertime, and it made me feel depressed. And over 10 years ago now, I did go to a tanning bed before I went on vacation, mostly because I didn't want to burn when I was on vacation, so getting a little bit of exposure. I didn't go in the tanning bed for very long, to get a little bit of exposure just so I didn't burn, and it actually worked. And after I did that, went to the tanning bed in the wintertime, I was like, man, this actually does feel really nice. Tanning beds are awful. Cancer boxes, don't use them, but that's what this is. This is a tanning bed. Basically, it helps you tan. I don't know exactly how it works. They're like designed for the tanning beds. Kind of annoying because it's full. Like I said, I barely went, but I need to just throw this out. So yes, that's part of my embarrassing past. Yes, I did use tanning beds, although I was never a regular tanner. Where I used to in Waterloo, though, was wonderful. So I used to live in Waterloo, which is about, I don't know, an hour and a half outside of Toronto, and the place was called Bunny's Tanning. The lady was actually called Bunny, and she was the sweetest lady, and I just, like, actually enjoyed going there. It was such a bizarre thing for me to discover, because it was so not something I would normally do. Anyway, tales from my past. I'm gonna pull this out too, so I remember to use this. This kind of just was buried in the back there. Actually, I might take this home, and put this in my bathroom at home, because we do have a nice soaking bathtub at home, so we'll see. But it's not going back underneath the sink. If you're curious what all these large bottles are, this is for dyeing your hair. Yeah, I'm not going to get rid of them just yet, because I still might dye my hair. I didn't realize there was that much I was going to take out of here. Look how much space there is. So much room for activities. Actually, I'm looking behind me and I have a couple things. So this is the hot compress thing that I kind of want to keep in the bathroom instead of, I used to have it in my living room, or my living room, under the cupboard in my kitchen. And then I do have some bath bombs that I picked up again in that little Shoppers Drug Mart points redeem your points thing. So I picked up these. They're not great. They're whatever. Little bath bombs. They're kind of cute, but I realize I'm not a bath bomb person. This is why I don't buy them. Alright, so that's under the cupboard done.
So here is the bathroom all cleaned up. I don't know about you guys, but for me, a clean bathroom and a clean kitchen are just so satisfying. I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up. And if you'd like to, please subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. Thanks for watching. Bye!